Hello, I am the Shadow Trader. This is Shadow Analysis, and today we are going to talk about ticker symbol GME. Why? Because someone mentioned it, and I was like, it's on my watch list, so we're going to go over it. And we're going to go over AMC soon. AMC I follow. I always follow AMC. It's one I like to trade on and off. I don't trade GME? Question mark. I traded it once. Well, more than once. So my first forte with GameStop was during the first short squeeze when I was shorting it. Back then, GameStop was cheap. This was before it blew up, but this was just as it was blowing up. GameStop was cheap, and it was just a bad company. Like it was just really bad. Everything about the company was bad. Obviously, which is why they changed the whole business structure of it. But it was just one of those companies that just made sense to short. You know what I mean? Um, but behind the scenes, obviously, they were doing things that um, they were trying to just better the company by changing the business structure of it. And obviously, smart move, but safe to say I lost out. I didn't have much money back then. I don't have much money now, but I had a lot less money back then, and so it wasn't much. But I also didn't have a whole lot to lose. So um, eventually I got back in. I traded it to the upside, made some money. I traded AMC to the upside. I got an AMC early. I traded AMC from around $5 to the all-time highs at 72, and that was fun. But when the ride's over, the ride's over, and the ride's about to begin again for a lot of stocks. So here we are. All right, so I just wanted to go over GameStop real quick. I haven't really gone over it. As you can see, I've already drawn on it. Um, but we will go over this and see what's going on with it. All right, so we are on the daily. I actually want to go to the weekly. I like to work there, kind of like starting at the top and working your way down, kind of thing. Mm, okay. So the all-time lows down here. Um, try to see are the all-time lows. This right here, and then got the support up here. That to make this yellow. Don't make this yellow, and then boom. All right. So we are bearish. We're definitely bearish. We're definitely gonna come down. Um, but when it does, it's gonna make a bottom. I'm sure. So, where to? Where are we going down to? Mm, mm. What do you guys think? Where do you think it's going to if it goes down? It looks pretty damn bullish, but Mm. and it is possible for it to go up, but it's not what the indicators are telling me. They're not telling me that at all. And so, but we will see what kind of trend we got going on here. Obviously bearish. So here, and you got the trend here. Right? And then this can come further down as well. We have here. Yeah, so I think it's going to test that 993 support again, and it's probably going to dip a little bit lower, and you're probably going to get more of like a strong move up here, reclaiming this 19 support most likely, and then continuing higher. Um, yeah, it looks really good. I would definitely, if you want to short this and make a little bit of money down here, I wouldn't get too greedy, and I would go at least 30 days out, if not longer, maybe 2 months out, just in case. I don't think it's gonna take nearly that long, but uh, just in case, because I know sometimes these things can take a while to make their move. This can continue sideways for 30 whole days if it wanted to before it dropped. Sometimes stocks are just that petty, and they don't care about your feelings, so they don't care about your money. They don't care about none of that. They just do what they do. That's why it's better to watch and react than to guess most of the time. So, I mean, yeah, it definitely looks bullish here. We're definitely going higher here, but we're going lower first. So, if you got call options, just hold on to them. Hopefully, they're long out. If they're short, get the hell out. Buy some puts, make that money back. And then buy calls here at the bottom. You know, it's coming. It is definitely coming. You know what I'm saying? You watch, because this here is going to be a bottom as well, and it's not that far away. So we might even come here or here. We might not even go down the full way. It's just going to trap and it's going to go. So, although I could be wrong, but yeah, that's it for that video, guys. Not a long one, just some quick macro analysis. Actually, um, let's look at some data real quick, some options data. Let's take a look. Let's see what we're dealing with here for the week, right? Week ending the first. Okay, so calls are waiting for next week, and I have a feeling that you're gonna flip, you're gonna flip flop here. Um, I don't know if it's gonna be these specific options, but I have a feeling it's gonna flip flop next week. I think retail is just getting really bullish right now, but again, I could be wrong. It could just go up. Um, it just doesn't look like it's gonna do that, and maybe it will go up a little bit and then fall hard. I don't know. Never know. Right now, I'd be betting on the downside, but it is at support. So if it doesn't break straight down on Monday, you might have a little lift up and then a push down through support. So um, yeah, outside of that, I think for GME, oh yeah, look at that. You're definitely gonna get a strong reaction soon. That's some serious stuff right there. But again, next week this might start flip flopping, and then it might flip flop again because I don't think it's got far to go before it takes off. So. I definitely think. Let's see. Uh, actually take a look at a couple things. So GME here. Um, but you definitely have buying um, going into the fall. So they're buying on the way down. That's for sure. Um, and then red question mark. Yeah, it's not updated. Obviously, the weekend. Um, but we're gonna find out next week. We're gonna see what the options look like because if the options look good, if they start piling on and the sentiment continues high, then actually one more thing I want to look at before we get out of here because it's gonna tell us kind of a lot actually. Remember, I was looking for good life love. Let's kind of see what people are buying out here. Okay, so heck, click it. I guess that I can scroll. That's easy. But from what I'm checking out here, a lot of calls going out, but it's not good. They're too low. They're all bids. And nobody's slapping the ask here. 83 days out though. Um, it's 50-50. You know, when it's this close, when you have this many calls and puts together, it it's going down, guys. I mean, it might just move sideways, honestly, to try to burn all these guys out and take their money. That just seems like what they would do, you know? Well, we'll see, guys. But it you can clearly see that it is in a downtrend. The question is just how far we go. I don't think it goes that much farther down, but uh, very possible we go down here, touch 993. If we even go that low, could step up here somewhere. I don't know. I doubt that. Uh, but yeah, tradable for puts, guys. It's looking like, and then pretty soon tradable for long calls. Again, it could go up at open and then come back down, but overall, you're going down. So, everyone, I hope you have a wonderful day. Please hit that like button for me if you like this video, and we will follow up on this. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell for me, and I will return with another video soon. Ciao, everyone.